We got home yesterday from Gatlinburg in record time, of course, and went to work batting down the hatches for the animals, since we're supposed to be getting huge storm. Right now it is a little after 7 o'clock in the morning, and we didn't think that the snow was going to start until 10, so Mike didn't put the cows in the barn or anything. Had some hay that he wanted to get covered up. Oh, we thought we had time this morning, but evidently we didn't. So he's out there right now working on getting that finished up. We've got a good dusting so far. We're right on the border of getting a bunch of snow and getting a bunch of ice and rain mix, so we'll see what happens. Keep you guys updated. Hope everyone stays safe, and hope there's no major power outages, that's for sure.
Oh, it's snowing outside like crazy. I don't like snow and I don't like cold weather, but I can't stop it.
Alright, snow update. It's been right about 3 hours, it's a little bit after 10. You can just barely see the grass peeking through. Not really for sure how much we've gotten. Little birdie perched up in the tree, in the catalpa tree. Dogs are running around outside. Snowflakes are huge. There's the dogs. Silly dogs. They love it. Love it. It almost looked like it was done snowing, like it was really starting to taper off. And Mike looked out there and said, "Holy moly, look at those flakes." Oh wow. It almost looked like there was chunks coming out of the trees because it's so big. We'll do a snow measurement here in a little bit. What time is it?
1:17.
Quarter after 1. Supposed to start getting the mix of snow and rain and sleet and about 6 o'clock, but keep you updated. Post snow day. Oh, got these stupid boots on that don't have any traction, and I keep getting a dog stopping in front of me. Should have shown you the nice tarp that I put up over the deck so that they wouldn't get a bunch of snow on them. They were scared to death of it. Kept thinking something was gonna attack them, I guess. I don't know. Got like 6 inches, 6.5 inches last night, give or take. And then it rained, so there's like 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of rain. Oh, that's pretty deep. A little drift. Chickens are fine. Mike's gonna go walk the fence because I don't have any good boots. My boots got chewed up this summer by the dogs, so I got no traction. Oh, oh, that was the snow. That was the ice that I just broke through.
You missed me tripping over the fence and breaking the post.
Oh, oh no. Well, at least you know you got to fix a fence post.
I don't know if I can get it around.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. My foot's not all the way to the ground. Probably got another good 3 inches. Oh, that fence post was not long for this world, was it?
Brittle.
You're blocking my view, my shot. I'm okay, guys. Oh, he got his foot stuck.
Yeah. Yeah, the other steer was in it a while ago.
Oh, so he'll be able to get out probably.
Ready?
Watch me bust my butt.
Fine. I'll go.
I can go.
No, I'll go.
I can go.
No. You better go in the house and sip on warm tea.
Hey, I got no boots. You got no boots.
I've been telling you for years.
No, my boots got chewed up this summer, remember? By your heathens.
Looks good to me.
That fence looks amazing.
I've never seen a better fence in my life.
Yeah, I think it looks great too. There's not even anything back there.
And I'm probably going to take that tarp off that hay out there.
Oh yeah, we need to do that anyway.
Uh-oh.
All of them's got it.
I might have just done that when I tripped over it.
What? Oh, I see what you're looking at. The one clip's broken.
There's another one. There's an insulator over there, but I ain't going to do it tonight.
Why don't you want to deal with that jumbled up mess?
Right. Exactly. Zip tie that back around that post, it'd be fun.
At least for a couple of days, wouldn't it?
There's a bag of zip ties in the big garage in the workbench.
No. I gotta take eggs up, so I'll go get eggs.
I don't know, we'll see. I may walk around it.
I think you're fine. This is the snowdrift area. And my foot. Yeah, so that's quite a bit deeper. You get your foot out of there? Okay, good. All right, that makes me feel better. Oh. Yep, about bit it. Might as well walk in the ice, snow. I about bit it.
Holler at me on what I want.
Well, it was kind of a spur of the moment thing.
Yeah.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. Oh, it's frozen. Oh, baby eggs. 3 baby eggs and 1 full size. So we've got 7 regulars and 2 smalls. 3 smalls. Hi everybody. How's it going? Got the old ladies. They've already picked their spot. Right? Got the old ladies that picked their spot. What you gotta say, mister? Huh? What you gotta say? He's like, girls, look what I found. Look what I found for you. Alright, girls. Chill out. Watch out, babies. Oh, your other one's full. It's full, ain't it? Full of snow and ice. Oh my goodness. Aw. All we have to do is clean it off, don't we? Hi, sweetie. How are you? How are you? Well, my speckled Sussex, she's decided that she likes me. So, we hang out together sometimes. Then there's Misty. Right, Misty? Hi, baby. Oh, I can't open that door. I can't open that door, Misty. You want some of this? Huh? There's not that much in there. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, don't be mean. Get up there, you can get that. Oh, I hate these boots. They are not made for doing chores, that's for sure. Not made for chores. Alright, I'm going to take eggs up. Look at that ice. Look at that ice. Holy moly. That's thick. I got one blue. I got one that's laying a blue and one that's laying a green. And that looks like the blue one. Let's go get a zip tie. Take eggs up. Ooh-wee. If I don't bust my butt, I'm gonna be really surprised. Oh, if I fall with eggs in my bucket, ooh, breakfast comes early. Hi, baby doll. How are you? Are you thirsty? She's like, dang it, you scared me. There was one rabbit hopping around in our little woods over here. He's so cute. Oh, I'm seriously gonna lose it. This ice is crazy. No, and you don't need to help me either. You don't need to help me. No. I got another big one too, in case you want a bigger one. But it was short, so that's why I brought those two. I didn't know if it would help out or not. Oh, that wind is terrible. Now, this is how you fix a fence, everybody. Just so you know.
Get it fixed.
Zip ties are a farmer's best friend.
Zip tie certified.
Oh, that's so funny.
I have a spare zip tie out here.
Oh, you did? That was one of the big ones, too.
Alright, I'm going to plug the fence in. The ducks up?
No. Oh, look at the net on the top of the chicken coop.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. What? No, it's not for you. It's our winter wonderland.
Winter something.
Winter nightmare. I'm going to give them a little bit more time and I'll come back out and put them up. We need a lean-to too on this side. Ooh, look at that. Look at all those snow drifts. That's cool. My goodness. Wow. That was terrible. Ugh. It's not going to warm up anytime soon. It's supposed to be like 0 degrees. I know everybody in like northern United States is like, oh gosh, that's nothing. You're at 25? Boy, that's like a heat wave. But we've had like 4 really mild winters and we're not used to this. Usually we get this one cold snap, so hopefully this is it. All right, we'll go up and close up. We'll go close up ducks here in just a little bit. Oh, okay, sounds very grandma of me, but I'm gonna try the grippers. I think I actually threw one of them away. It couldn't have been more than 2 weeks ago. I looked and I thought, oh, I'm never gonna use those. Huh. It's like putting chains on your tires. Hey, look what I got.
What you got?
I got traction.
Where'd you find them at?
Well, they were in the paint box. Because why wouldn't they be?
Right.
But I think I threw one of them away thinking there was a set of these and we're never going to use them. So, but I'm going to try them.
They work. They work.
Do they?
Yeah.
Well, I hope so. Oh, I slipped with my right foot, but not with my left foot. Oh, yeah. Oh, it needs it bad. Oh, yeah. That's empty. I feel it now, so he has to come out at midnight. I think that's a pretty good deal. All right. Let's go do chickens. Chickens. Ducks. Come on, guys. You saying hi to the chickens? No. You have to go this way. All right. I know, I'm so scary. So scary. Come on, guys. Just go. It's all right. Keep moving. Keep moving. Come on. I know. Are we tired? Come on. Come on. Come on. Make your wings really big. And they go running in. Because I'm so scared. Not. They're crazy. And ducks. That gripper does help. It's kind of crazy. I keep slipping with my right foot, but not with my left foot. Mike made this nice little path with the Kubota. Oh wow. It's really kind of crazy. He helped everybody. Pulled 2 people out. Picked one guy up on the highway that was stuck and plowed out about 3, well, including ours, 3 driveways. So he had a full day. All right, I hope everybody's safe where you are. Hope you're enjoying the snow.